razor blade, a shaving razor that we're gonna cut my hair with, and this video is about me cutting my hair. It's gonna look really edgy. And you're being... She's just stupid. We're gonna put my hair in this trash can right here. We're gonna make me really edgy and really emo. I'm gonna part my hair
Should
like
I like
this.
shave it?
And then you're gonna put, oh Lord.
Nothing's even happening.
Not time.
Time for what?
Time to cut for adventure time.
Only like little tiny pieces. 4 pieces is happening.
Let me,
Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing.
oh fuck, that's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair.
Why did I let you do
Oh,
that?
why did you let me do that?
This is the piece you cut.
Wait, what?
He's all, dude, what?
You need to like do it hard. Do it hard. Don't give me bald spots, please. Section my hair off.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's do this. Oh
What?
Lord. Is this going well? I can't tell.
It's going decent.
Decent. Oh, what just happened? What did you do?
Because I heard that too. I was like, I'm trying my best.
I want to be an edgy boy.
I'm gonna be an egg.
Oh, my hair feels thinner already. Is this the one I did?
You did this one, right? Oh, this is the one you did.
The bangs are good.
That's hard.
Yeah.
Go back to make it flow, boy.
Doesn't look good.
Straight.
Oh, that looks good. I like it. I like it. I like this. God. I like how this is turning out. Oh. This looks good.
Wait.
That's a lot of hair. How do I even put this like behind me?
Trash can.
I'm the trash can man. I do this. Wait. No, I said wait.
Why? It doesn't come off yet.
Wait. Do I like... I'm just gonna do
wait.
this.
I tried to get it. There it goes.
We're gonna meet Jake Paul for a sec. Let's just... You don't even know how to dial them haters. Come on, dude. Jake Paul.
Oh, Jake Paul!
Why is there 2 of me on camera? Is the back good?
It's just flat. It's gonna be too.
I like it. I like it. I like it a lot.
Almost standing.
Yeah.
That's how you
It's a mullet.
make an emo.
It's a mullet. It's
It's
an
like
emo
an emo
mullet.
kid.
It's an emo mullet.
Now he's gotta tease it and show you how it looks.
Haha.
You look 10 times more emo.
Oh my god, with the stripes and all that, I look so emo. I have to do one for the thumbnail. This actually looks good. Do I look more emo?
Yeah, we made you into an emo.
Hell yeah. This is the trick to being emo.
Oh.
Pam.
Finished product. This is like,
does, huh?
it's not like teased super well because it was like really hot in the bathroom and I didn't really want to do it all that much. But yeah, so it looks a lot better. Yeah.
Hot dog, hot dog, hot
Hot dog.
diggity dog.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the layers. Just shaving razor to the hair. That's how you look edgy. Just make yourself look like a rat and then you'll look emo. Yeah.